Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to prepare this gorgeous summer inspired daisy looking flower earring, which is super easy to make and a couple of minutes to take to get it ready. Super beginner friendly, honestly one of the easiest earring that I have ever prepared. And I hope you will enjoy the process, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get going. For the earring, I'm going to use two different types of yarn, one yellow and one white. I'm going to use the crochet hook, size 3mm. I'm going to have a yarn needle, two kind of like rings, circles. You can use different ones as well. Actually, you can purchase super easily in any kind of store where you can buy yarn, and or also you can order online from AliExpress or other kind of sites. Going to have two hooks and these little rings to attach it to the earring. Also, I'm going to have this back part to make sure that it's nicely locked in the back part of the earring. All right, going to start with the ring and the yellow color. Going to insert my hook and pull it over. Going to do another 23 times, kind of single crochet. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 21, 22, 23, and finally 24. Perfect. Now we had here our first chain. Going to insert the first chain, pull over and slip stitch. Okay, going to chain 1. Okay, and going to make single crochet into every stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 22, 23, 24. The last one. Okay. Going to insert it in the first stitch and pull over. Okay. Now I'm going to leave a bit of yarn here. I'm going to cut the rest. And so I'm adding now the white color. Pull it over. slightly make it tighter, so it's going to be easier to work with it. Chain 3, and we're going to do 4 double crochet into the next stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then the next stitch we have to do a slip stitch in the next. Okay, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, okay, and then 4 times double crochet into the next stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then slip stitch in the next stitch. Okay, so just here. And we are going to do 5 more of these flowers, so altogether it's going to be 7, okay, and 5 more we have to do, so 5 more, okay. 1, 2, 3, next stitch, 4 times double crochet, 1, 3, and 4, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch in the last. Perfect. So see how nice it became. Okay, we'll leave a little bit of tail. We can cut the yarn. We can pull out the excess yarn here, and now we will be using the needle, okay, and every single yarn that we have, we are going to do the same. So I'm going to show you in this one with the first one, and do the same with all the excess yarns. Okay, so we're going to be inserting the yarn to the needle. Okay, and now staying in the white color, we're going to be doing we're going to do stitches. Okay, going to kind of, and then afterwards just stitch it around so it's gonna stay nicely in the same color. Okay, perfect. When it's done, we can cut the excess yarn. And don't forget to do the same with all the other yarns as well. Okay, now that we worked through the excess yarn, okay, I'm using one of this first little ring. It's tiny, have to open it up. I'm using kind of a this handle, okay. Okay, I managed to open it up. You don't have to open up a lot, okay? Going to in here, you're inserting where the middle is, so kind of the middle stitch. Okay. Perfect. Then we're adding another ring. This one we don't have to open up because this one is already open. Then I'm going to close that up. Okay, nicely. Okay, and finally we have to add the top. For this one, I have to also kind of open up this part. It's going to be much more easier. Okay, and the final one is adding this, and now going to close this one up as well. Just like this. So this is one of our earrings. Don't forget to make 2 from this. All right, I just prepared both earrings. They're looking super pretty. Like honestly, for a summer outfit, they look really, really gorgeous. Now I'm just going to add it on paper. So it's like ideal. You can give it as a present as well. It's super good looking. And then just going to add finally the back part. One and two. So our earrings are ready, and I hope you enjoyed the process of making it. I think they're really, really nice. They ended up really nice and perfect accessory for summer clothes and for summer in general. I think they're really, really great. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next video as well. Bye bye.